before you get excited about the huge discounts and stylish clothing advertised by Brooke Toronto. You might want to watch this review because the story behind this brand is not as simple as it looks. Brooke Toronto is being promoted online as a fashion label supposedly founded in Toronto back in 2002, presenting itself as a long-established brand inspired by the city's modern style and fashion culture. And many ads claim the company is running a massive closing sale where customers can buy high-quality clothing at extremely low prices. At first glance, the website appears professional, showing attractive product photos, emotional brand storytelling, and big discounts that make the deal seem almost too good to miss. However, when you look deeper, some details start raising questions. One of the biggest concerns is that online records show the website domain was only created in January 2026, which doesn't match the claim that the brand has existed since 2002. There is also no clear evidence of physical stores, long-term brand history, or any strong presence outside of the website itself. Another thing many people notice is that several product images look heavily edited or appear similar to stock photos, commonly used in dropshipping stores. This has led to speculation that some of the clothing may actually come from overseas suppliers rather than from a unique in-house fashion brand. On top of that, policies on the site suggest that returns may require shipping items internationally, which can sometimes become expensive and complicated for buyers. Some shoppers online have also reported slow customer service responses and unclear refund procedures. None of these points automatically prove anything on their own, but when multiple warning signs appear together, it becomes important for buyers to be cautious. In the end, Brooke Toronto presents itself as a premium fashion brand with huge discounts. But the lack of verified history and several potential red flags mean shoppers should take extra time to research carefully before deciding to place an order.